Meaning of Enoch Powell.
Enoch Powell.
Enoch Powell.
Enoch Powell.
Enoch Powell. Enoch Powell was a British politician and Member of Parliament. He is primarily known for his controversial Rivers of Blood speech in 1968, in which he warned of the dangers of mass immigration to England, leading to widespread condemnation and his dismissal from the shadow cabinet. Despite this, Powell maintained a significant base of support and continued to hold political office until his retirement in 1987. He remains a divisive figure in British politics, with some seeing him as a prophetic voice and others as a racist and divisive figure.